What's up guys, Shamil here, new autoglass. I'm working on a 19 Jeep Cherokee, just a regular Cherokee. I'm working on a back glass. So, back glass. If you're gonna do this, it looks very complicated. You gotta take this back part, it comes off. There's screws right here on the handle, behind the handle. You pull that out because you gotta connect these heating wires, but then the rest of it you can't really take it off. It's all one piece. It's all one piece. If I close this, if I close this, you'll see even the part is connected to this part that holds the urethane. So the way I do it is, I take the bottom part of the spoiler off, so this way you get a room for the urethane and not making mistakes. Now to take that off, clips in here, in here, in here, here, here. There's no clips under the third brake light and clips here. But behind the third brake light, there's two clips, yellow clips like these. So you gotta pull them out. And you just, put it on top, so this way you have a room. I got a Mopar glass, so this way now I gotta apply the urethane and install it. That's the best way I figured out. I don't know if you guys know any better way. Just comment below, but I think this is the easiest way to do it without making any mistakes, cutting corners. Let me know guys, what do you guys think? Thank you. Bye. Alright, so I installed the glass. You can see there's a lot of room. I can even fit my hand in there. So this way you go apply urethane, nice and straight. This way it will sit perfectly. So that's the way I'm gonna do them now on, because this is the first one for me. I hope this helps guys. So let me just put this back piece on and I'll show you how it looks. So there's a spoiler going back piece, going back in the spot with the clips. If you see right there, clips, pushing back in there. And then there's also, you can't see them inside, so you want to push it in so they clip. And there you go. Now let me open this. And now I can connect these wires here. Alright guys, I hope this helps, because I was a little stuck. This is my first one, but I'm definitely going to do it this way. Makes the job a lot easier. Thank you guys. Have a good day.